went ahead and cut off the side of the rubber or plastic steering wheel so you can see inside. So there's the little hole right there. So there's the pin. You can kind of see in there. Grab one of those carpets and throw it over the windshield for me. Thank you. There we go. See? Luxuries of being at the junkyard. I'm calling them luxuries. So I had to go ahead and make myself a little custom screwdriver. And we're gonna go in through the back hole right over here. Find a hole. And we gotta get it right over this. And then slide that back. Comes right out.
I don't know if that's helpful, but definitely don't want to be tearing down the steering wheel part, as you can see all that stuff. I was just going straight back and hitting the wall and just grinding and pulling and it's a mess. That's what it's all about.
Before you get started, disconnect the battery. The steering wheel moves in and out, so make sure your steering wheel is pulled all the way out. Alright, so what I learned from the junkyard is that you don't shove it in all the way to the back and just wiggle it around like a caveman, because that ain't gonna get you nowhere. You only want to go in about this deep to my yellow tape, but you want to go in with your flat head level out like this at kind of an upward angle and then pull down with the spring arm. Good luck. So I'm gonna kind of go from my mind's memory. Oh, I think I just had it right there. Piece of it. No. Maybe. It's a little bit higher. I had a piece of it and I heard it snap back. Maybe I messed up. Piece of it right there. Screwdriver's hitting on top of there. Oh, I got it. There we go. That's the top. $4 minutes. I was at the junkyard for 3 hours this morning. Okay. Tab on. Stick a screwdriver in so that I can make sure that my steering wheel doesn't get. About there in the middle. Go back to the center. Get it centered as much as possible. Ow. possible. There we go. Sweet. Under 6 minutes. 5 minutes and 45 seconds. A new record. Kind of turn it to the side and just set it in there. Don't let it fall. Put your knee back there on the other side of the steering wheel. Now it turns out that actually the 10mm poly drive head bolt socket will actually fit right in there. There we go. Set that back in there, but take that off gently. Come over here. Your knees are your friend with your steering wheel. People all know that. Your knees, your steering wheel are best friends. Steering wheel has been released. Steering wheel's off. Phillips. And then there's one little Torx 25 underneath. Oh shit, I don't know where it cracked, but something just said open wide. I don't really care about this clock spring, to be honest. This one's mine that we're taking off. Right above here, pop that one off. Come up here, pop that one off. Right here, pop that one off. Alright, now we're going to try and put it all back together.
Make sure you get your seal on there. Ignition. That Torx 25 back in there.
sure you get these ones lined up before you screw in these ones. You don't have to really tighten those up too much, just get them kind of snug.
Yep.
So it's not cool if my fucking clock spring doesn't line up. Line that back up. Snap. Technical difficulties. Ooh, you can fucking adjust it. Okay. See, pushing this spring right here, you can adjust. So how I centered my clock spring was, if you press down, I'm gonna show you on the old one because I got my new one where I want it and I don't want to mess with it. So there's a spring on this clock spring. So you press that down and you just want to spin it. So it should go around 7 times, about 7 times. So I'm going from the angle my clock spring is supposed to be in, like this. Go around, push it down, and give your finger. It's kind of hard, but do it. Just get it all the way to one side. 2. I don't even know how many times I was counting, but it should be that's about 7 or whatever. So counterclockwise, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna say I'm about right there-ish, because that's center in my steering wheel. My wheels are just a butt hair over to the left. So I'm gonna say that that's where I'm good right there. Going with it. Knee behind your steering wheel, hold that in place. Alright, I'm actually not going to use any Loctite because I'm planning on replacing the steering wheel. I'm trying to find a Mark 6, Mark 7, something I can get creative with.
Yeah, you put on a future car, like a GTI in the future, near future, we'll see.
Alright, moment of truth. Back in, solid. Got the battery terminals hooked back up. The horn should work, right? Push it. Unfortunately, I don't think we fixed the horn problem.